So let's try to summarize what we've learned about the mediator design patterns. So essentially, to get the mediator working for you, you first of all create a mediator, and then you have each of the objects in the system refer to the mediator. So typically you would refer to it in a field and perhaps use something like constructor injection to make sure that the mediator is actually available in every single component. And yes, quite typically a mediator is a singleton as well, because you don't really need more than one. Now the mediator then engages in bidirectional communication with all of its connected components. So on the one hand, every single component can actually have functions calling on the mediator. So the mediator has functions that a component can take and call. So for example, the component can say, can we please broadcast the following message? But on the other hand, the components themselves have the functions which the mediator can call, and they can sort of enlist themselves in the process of being notified about something happening. And typically we use event processing mechanisms such as reactive extensions, and these make the communication between the different components a lot easier to implement.